in closing, we've had a very riveting dialogue. 3 leading global health multilaterals, Gavi, Global Fund, WHO, together with the European Commission, an implementing country, the private sector, a young leader, so really just diverse perspectives. We've heard about the benefit and the promise of leapfrogging through using innovation. We've heard about partnerships of purpose, and not to just have partnerships for the mere sake of partnerships, but being really deliberate about what is that common goal and how to really leverage expertise. We've also really had this conversation about the mindset. There was a great question earlier from the audience about, what's different now than before, and how can we really, in a way, protect the public health and when we're dealing with other partners. And so really the mindset question was really answered, that we do need to have the right mindset, have cross-sectorial conversations. And then there was really, coming down to it, that we still need the political leadership. So to reduce inequalities, this is not a new issue. It has been around for a long time. We know inequalities are widening in many places, but there are great successes that we just need to really elevate. So political leadership linked to investment. This is really a period to think about how we can invest in partnerships, how we can bring investment from the private sector for really reaching those inequalities. So on that note, I'd really like us to all think about concrete examples that were discussed today. Think about the practical ideas that we can all take forward in our work, especially to overcome all those barriers. We all should be convinced in the importance and impact of innovation and really multi-stakeholder partnerships. And then I really have a challenge for all those in the room. So the first challenge is actually for our panelists to really be accountable for the wise words that you have shared today, and really make sure that this acts out in your countries, in your programs, in your multilaterals, and in your partnerships, that we really take the lessons forward. And really the challenge to all of you in the room is to encourage the incubation of ideas and thoughts. There are many ideas that we still haven't tapped into yet. You might be carrying that idea, and really think about how you can support incubation for innovation and partnerships so we can really reach that last mile. So thank you, and please stay tuned. Send your ideas into social media with hashtag EDD19. Use the hashtag Think Twice, and our panelists are going to be here for a little bit longer, so feel free to come up. But thank you for joining us on this evening, and let's continue to address health inequalities so we can achieve health for all. Thank you.
Well done.